The other frequent special limit is another, which is for the example 4 or the fourth special limit. As x approaches infinity, 1 plus the limit of 1 plus 1 over x, the whole power of 2x is dash, then a b to e c e over 2 d e square. Then let's prove it. Since the limit for this one, power of x, its limit or its approach to e, but our question is that the power is 2x. So let's see what is the difference, what happens, or what the relation, our question. Let's see the difference, the given question and the given special limit that we know before, which is e. So at the given question is just 1 plus 1 over x, its power is 2x. So is it possible to write now the red color, then segregating or separate? Can we write 2x as exponent x times the whole over 2? Yes. So if it's possible, this is the exponent rule, one of the exponent rule, but if possible this one, this value x, which is, it gives e, that's why e, this power 2 then comes at exponent, then the final answer is e power of 2, which is, your answer is e. Remark, if you encounter such species like this question, related to this question, power of the x or 3x or 4x or minus 5 or minus 6, so this remarks helps you in general. Then the limit as x approaches to infinity into 1 plus 1 over x to the whole power of ax, so your answer is e power of a. A is any real number, Example 2. Limit of into 1 minus 1 over x, the whole over x as x approaches infinity, or you can say as x approaches minus infinity. It's possible. It works for both. X approaches positive infinity or minus infinity, the same thing. The question is the same. So be careful. Now you have to be mind what the difference, the original special limit and the given question is. Just this is the matter of the symbol. This one is minus. So what could be the consequence? Let's see on the going in our solutions. Then a, e, b minus e, then c 1 over e, d e power of 2 or e square. Then since the limit for this one is e, which is the original one, but the given question is just as I have told you, that one is plus, but here is minus. So can be changed to the form by letting 1, let's say 1 minus 1 over x is equivalent to 1 over y. Then crisscross minus y, which is equals to x. Now substituting into the original one into the given question. Then it was, this one is the original one. At the place of minus 1 over x, I have insert 1 minus y. At the place of x, I will be insert now minus y. That's okay. It's a matter of variable. Its variable is y, does not influence, which is still e, still e. So this can be written in the form of the inner part for this one, and separated to whole power of minus 1, since it was minus y. That's it. That's why the inner part gives e, then this one the exponent. the exponent comes, which is -1, then e power of -1. E power of -1 means it is equivalent with 1 over e using the exponent rules. The same thing. So we can generalize it. If we encounter such questions in this form, the limit of x approaches infinity, 1 plus b over x, the whole power of x is equals to with e power of b. We are going to look over here. If this one is 1, it's automatically e. But this one, if over here, if you look any real number b, then your answer is e power of b. So we can generalize like this. Then if you look over at the place of b, for example 2, this is equals to e power of 2. If you look here over b3, then e power of 3. If -4, e power of -4. But if it is 1, it is automatically equivalent with e. Then this is the most frequent question in the special limits of evaluating limits of a function.